Hi, it's Kelly Hine. Time is sometimes described as our most precious resource. But if we're not being intentional about how we use our time, then it's just too easy to waste it. How did you spend your morning this morning? What about your evening last night? We will never get that time back. At the time of recording this, only a few days ago, a beautiful young woman named Holly Butcher passed away, and just before she did, she wrote an incredible blog post article that has now gone viral around the world. She asked it to be shared just after she passed away. And in that article, she almost begs with us to make the most of our time. First of all, stop complaining so much. Stop sweating the small stuff and making such a big deal about the little annoyances that go wrong in our lives. We waste our lives with so much focus on what's not right. And when we do this, we're missing on all the beautiful, wonderful blessings. And these are in the little things. And so that brings us to the next thing that Holly says to please do is be grateful. Be grateful. Be thankful and appreciative of all the things that we have. It's the little things, people. And next, give. Give freely and generously to others. Be kind. Small acts of kindness make you happier. Research has proven this. Enjoy the moment. So be present. Enjoy the little moments. Savor them. Perhaps the next time you think to spend money on a material object, instead you might think maybe I could spend that on an experience instead. But there are so many experiences that are just free. As they say, the best things in life really are free. Go and cuddle your loved ones, cuddle your pets, look up at the sky, breathe in the fresh air, being grateful for just our breath. It is a blessing. Do what makes you happy. Live your life according to what you want to do. One of the major regrets that people have when they get to the end of their life is that they've lived according to what they thought other people thought they should do and not what really lit them up. So trust me on this. If there's something that you really want to do, follow that. Do it. You don't want to get to the end of your life and feel regret that you didn't follow your heart. And what makes your heart sing, what makes you happy, is going to be good for everyone around you. And finally, tell people that you love them. As Holly says, each day is a gift, not a given right. Time is fragile, precious, and unpredictable. So make the most of your time. We do tend to live on autopilot if we're not consciously choosing how we're going to spend our time. And we do tend to so easily hone in on what's not right instead of what is right. So remember those main points that Holly compels us to live by. Stop complaining. Be grateful. Enjoy the moment. Give. Do what makes you happy and tell people you love them.